Hi, boys and girls. Today we're going to learn about touch. I found this really great book and I wanted to share it with you, so I thought I would read it with you on Epic. Are you ready? Now, as we read, I want you to think, what is the main topic? What is this book teaching me about? And then I want you to try and remember one thing that the text says about that special thing it's teaching us about. All right, are you ready?
I'm glad I Touch, Sing and Read by Joanne Cleland. Rourke Educational Media. Copyright 2013. I'm glad I have skin. My hands can touch things large and small, a kitten's fur, a cotton ball, a lovely quilt, a silky shawl. They're soft, I like them all. My hands can touch things large and small, a shiny rock, a big brick wall, a silver spoon, a soccer ball. They're hard, I like them all.
So, boys and girls, when I think about this text, I'm hearing they're hard. Back here, they're silky. These things were all soft. So, it makes me think that this whole book, the main topic, is mostly about what you can touch. So, the main topic would be touch. And look, it's right there in our title. Wow. One thing I learned is that you can touch things that are soft and you can touch things that are hard. Well, boys and girls, I hope that now you can read a book and you can find out the main topic, what the text is mostly about, and one thing that the text taught you about it. Good luck!